All right, Georgia Sports Cards here. We're doing another box here for Walter. Star Wars Rogue One. Good luck, man. Well, let's see if it. Maybe if it goes tomorrow to Frankenstein's, they can have some of these at Frankenstein's. I don't know if Dan got some. There's your medallion. Dan or the non-sport guy in the back. I'm sure he had to get a couple cases. You guys want to check out the store? Get going on that Noir break. That's the next one closest to filling besides T-shirt basketball and draft jumbo. Get that draft jumbo case going. All right, good luck, Walter, man. Box number 2. Gray. And then we know the green. This should be numbered. It is. Number 200. Rebels Keep Watch. Number 200. Gray. Green. Gray. Blue. Gray. Green. Oh, nice. Forrest Whitaker autograph. Should be numbered to 50. It is. 29 of 50. Forrest Whitaker. Very nice. Nice couple boxes. It goes over here. Green. Gray. Blue. Gray. Green. Gray. Green. Gray, and then your gold. Gold number to 50. Hammering out the plan. Hammering out the plan. 42 of 50. 42 of 50. Blue. Gray. Gray again. green, gray, blue, and your medallion from a green is Jen Urso. Nice. Got a name at least. Base medallion, Jen Urso. There you go, Walter, man. Appreciate it, dude. Nice couple boxes.